Above our heads stretches a universe so vast, so strange, that even our most advanced science has barely scratched the surface. What if I told you there are planets made of diamond, stars that can outlive entire galaxies, and cosmic voids so empty they defy imagination? Tonight we journey into the strangest secrets of space, secrets that reveal just how mysterious and how awe-inspiring our universe truly is. Most of space is not filled with stars, planets, or even dust. It's nearly nothing. In fact, if you captured a cube of interstellar space the size of your living room, you'd probably find just a single atom inside. One, in all that emptiness. And yet, in this nothingness, humanity has dared to explore. Our farthest traveler, Voyager 1, is still sending signals from the edge of the solar system. But here's the twist. Those faint radio messages take more than 22 hours to reach Earth. That's how enormous just our tiny neighborhood really is. If you think Earth is crowded, think again. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on every beach, on every desert, on the entire planet. Each grain, a star. Many of them, with planets of their own. But not all galaxies live in bustling neighborhoods. Some are truly alone, void galaxies, stranded in immense cosmic deserts with no neighbors for hundreds of millions of light years. Imagine an entire island of billions of stars, with nothing else in sight. And then there's the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall, the largest known structure in the universe, a supercluster of galaxies stretching more than 10 billion light-years across. That's larger than the universe itself was when the light from those galaxies began its journey. In space, time itself becomes strange. On the International Space Station, astronauts orbit Earth so fast that time runs slightly slower for them. In 6 months, they age 0.01 seconds less than the rest of us. A tiny difference, but proof that Einstein was right. Time bends. But near a black hole, the effect becomes terrifying. If you fell in, an outside observer would never see you cross the event horizon. Instead, you would appear frozen, locked forever at the edge of darkness. From your perspective, though, time would race forward. The universe itself could die while you are falling. And even the stars above us are echoes of time. Some galaxies we see today are so far away, their light left them before Earth even formed. Every night sky is a window into the ancient past. Our sun may seem typical, but it's actually unusual. Most stars are not like it. Nearly 70% of the universe's stars are red dwarfs, small, dim, and invisible to the naked eye. And not all planets have stars. Rogue planets wander the galaxy alone, drifting endlessly in eternal night. Some scientists believe they may outnumber stars themselves. And then there are the jewels of the cosmos, diamond planets, giant worlds rich in carbon whose interiors may literally sparkle with diamond. Imagine a planet where mountains gleam like crystals and continents shine like gemstones. Not all cosmic wonders are majestic, some are downright bizarre. Near the center of our galaxy lies Sagittarius B2, a giant molecular cloud containing enough alcohol to make 400 trillion pints of beer. Space, it seems, knows how to throw a party. Then there's the Boomerang Nebula, the coldest place ever discovered. At 272 degrees Celsius, it's colder than the background of the universe itself. And neutron stars, the densest objects in the known cosmos. A single teaspoon of neutron star matter would weigh 1 billion tons. One spoonful, heavier than every mountain on Earth combined. But perhaps the strangest secret of all is how small we are. Voyager 1, before leaving our solar system, looked back at Earth and captured the iconic pale blue dot. Our planet, reduced to a fraction of a pixel, floating in a sunbeam. Every story, every dream, every life that has ever been lived, happened on that tiny speck of light. And even now, our presence is leaking into the cosmos. Our earliest radio broadcasts have already traveled more than 100 light-years away. Right now, somewhere in the galaxy, our signals are passing distant stars. And here's one last reminder of how close space really is. If Earth were the size of a basketball, the International Space Station would orbit just 1 centimeter above its surface. Just 1 centimeter. Space is closer than you think. Space is vast, empty yet full of wonders, terrifying yet breathtaking, a place that humbles us, but also inspires us to dream beyond the stars. These are just some of the universe's strangest secrets. And if this is what we've discovered so far, imagine what's still waiting to be found. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, you're not just seeing stars, you're looking at history, at mysteries, and at infinite possibilities. If these discoveries blew your mind, give this video a like, share it with someone who loves space, and subscribe for more journeys into the unknown. Because out there, among the stars, the universe is full of secrets, waiting for us to uncover.